Hi everyone, I am Meena. I was passed out in the year 2023 in Swami Vivekananda Rural First Grade College at Chandapura, affiliated to Bangalore University and accredited with NAC Grade E. I am really very happy to say that I am the gold medalist in Tamil subject at university level. I really can't able to come out this happiness. I am very thankful to college, and this college gave me great support and helped me to gain more knowledge regarding academics and everything. Where faculties are very friendly in nature and they are the great support. So I thank to my college principals, sir, each and every faculties for the great support. Thank you so much.
Namaste. I am Hema Kumari, 2020-23 batch from Swami Vivekananda Rural First Grade College, Chandapura. I would like to thank you, our principal, to give me a great opportunity to study in this college. In our college, our lecturers are very cooperative and friendly in nature. They are guiding us towards intellectual growth and personal development. Because of their hard work, I got the gold medal in two subjects, auditing and income tax. Thank you, our principal and lecturers and all faculties for their great support. Thank you.
Myself M. Veena Shivnolli. I have studied in Swami Vivekananda Rural First Grade College, Chandapura, 2022-23 batch. I felt so happy that I received a gold medal from Bangalore University for auditing, reporting and income tax. First of all, I would like to thank to my all lecturers who supported me a lot. ಇನ್ನು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾನೇನು ಆಡಿಟರ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಫೀಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನೋ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕೇಳೋಣ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನೂ ಮುಜುಗರ ಪಟ್ಕೊಳೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿಂದನೇ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಯಿತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೂ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ.